ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਇਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਇਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਭੀ ਸਚ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਛ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਛ ਆਹੇ ਨ ਮੋਰਾ ਅਵਸਰ ਲੱਜਾ ਰਾਖ ਲਿਹੋ ਸਦਨਾ ਜਨ ਤੋਰਾ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਛ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਛ ਆਹੇ ਨ ਮੋਰਾ ਅਵਸਰ ਲੱਜਾ ਰਾਖ ਲਿਹੋ ਸਦਨਾ ਜਨ ਤੋਰਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਕੀ ਮਿਤ ਕੌਣ ਬਖਾਨੈ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਕੀ ਗਤ ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जानै ब्रह्म ज्ञानी के मित कौन बखानै ब्रह्म ज्ञानी की गत ब्रह्म ज्ञानी जानै ब्रह्म ज्ञानी का अंत न पार नानक ब्रह्म ज्ञानी को सदा नमस्कार ब्रह्म ज्ञानी का अंत न पार नानक ब्रह्म ज्ञानी को सदा नमस्कार वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। महाराज दी बहुत बहुत किरपा सारिਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ भी असी हुण सारे जुड़े हाँ उस सिख की कथा सुनन लई जिन्हां ने 6 गुरु साहिबान की सेवा की ते 5 गुरु साहिबान नूं गुरगद्दी दा तिलक लवाया। Hari ini Sangha Ji kita sekarang duduk di dalam sanggat untuk mendengar kata Brahmgyani itu untuk mendengar kata Santa Mahapurkh Brahmgyani yang telah bikin sewa untuk 6 guru sahiban dari Guru Nanak Dev Ji sehingga Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji yang telah membuat darshan 8 guru sahiban, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji dan juga Guru Harai Sahib Ji, dan telah memberi Guru Kedip Tilak kepada 5 guru sahiban dari Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj sehingga Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji Maharaj. Dan Brahmgyani itu, Santa Mahapurkh itu namanya Baba Buddha Ji Sahib, Tan Baba Buddha Ji. Adik-adik, course, Perna dalam Sakhi Saheli ada bikin Japji Sahib dan Chopi Sahib untuk menyambut Janmdihara Baba Buddha Ji. So hari ini kita akan mendengar kata Tan Baba Buddha Ji, bagaimana mereka dari seorang anak yang kecil, dari hari pertama mereka mendapat darshan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, dan bagaimana mereka menjadi seorang Sikh. Dari seorang Sikh mereka menjadi seorang Gyani, seorang Brahmgyani, seorang Santa, dan bagaimana mereka membuat sewa untuk 6 guru sahiban sehingga Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji. Baba Buddha Ji, waktu mereka kecil, nama mereka yang diberi oleh ibu bapa adalah Buddha. So Buddha juga bermaksud orang tua. Dari kecil lagi, Baba Buddha Ji, waktu itu Pai Buddha, mereka suka mendengar kata, suka mendengar kirtan apabila ada sadhu, santa atau yogi yang datang di kampung mereka, yaitu Ketunanggal. Baba Buddha Ji, waktu itu umur mereka kecil, pasti akan pergi duduk bersama mereka dan dengar mereka bercakap tentang Tuhan. Baba Buddha Ji, waktu mereka kecil, their attitude, their behavior was also like an old person. Sifat mereka juga seperti orang tua. Memang bijaksana. Mereka bertanya soalan tentang Tuhan, sentiasa ingin mengetahui tentang hidup dan tentang maut. Apabila mereka berumur 12 tahun, mereka selalu membantu ibu bapa mereka di rumah dan juga membuat kheti bari. They also did farming with their father as well. Dan pada satu hari, ini waktu Guru Nanak Dev Ji dan Pai Mardana Ji bila mereka sudah mulakan udasi. Dalam satu udasi Guru Nanak Dev Ji, mereka pergi ke Penda Ketunanggal di mana Pai Buddha juga menetap di sana. Dan Pai Buddha waktu itu mereka mendengar bahawa ada seorang sadhu bernama Guru Nanak yang datang di penda mereka, di kampung mereka bersama dengan Pai Mardana. Waktu itu Pai Buddha Ji lepaskan semua kerja yang mereka bikin pada waktu itu, semua dilepaskan dan mereka pergi jumpa sama Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Apabila Pai Buddha Ji waktu itu pertama kali mendapat darshan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, tiba-tiba dalam hati mereka itu, mereka dapat rasa tenang. They felt so calm, so happy, and so full of joy. And waktu itu, Pai Buddha Ji bertanya sama Guru Nanak Dev Ji, "Oh Guruji, maukah kamu minum susu? Do you want to drink milk? Let me bring a glass of milk for you." And Pai Buddha Ji quickly ran back home and they took a glass of milk for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji waktu itu memang senang hati sama Pai Buddha Ji. Melihat anak yang umur 12 tahun buat sewa, itu pun dengan hati yang baik. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji bertanya sama dia, apa nama kamu? Dia bilang, nama saya Buddha. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji pun senang hati. Pai Buddha Ji waktu itu, mereka bertanya sama Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guruji, saya ada satu persoalan. Dan persoalan ini mungkin tidak ada anak-anak yang berumur 12 tahun yang pernah tanya sama kamu. Persoalan saya adalah, saya ingin tahu tentang Waheguru. Saya ingin tahu tentang Tuhan. Saya ingin tahu kenapa saya datang di dunia ini, kenapa saya diberi badan ini, dan apa tugas saya di dunia ini. Guru Nanak Dev Ji pun bertanya, kenapa kamu bertanya tentang semua ini? Why are you asking all these questions? You're still very young. Persoalan kamu ini seperti orang tua. Percakapan kamu seperti orang tua, tapi umur kamu masih 12 tahun. Waktu itu, Pai Buddha Ji bilang sama Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guruji, sebenarnya saya ini memang takut sama maut. I'm very scared of death. Kita nggak tahu kapan maut akan tiba. We don't know when death will come. Dalam Gurbani juga Maharaj ada bilang, Kya jana kib marenge, kaisa marna hoy. Kya jana, siapa yang tahu kib marenge, gimana kita akan maut, kita akan mati. Kib marenge, kaisa marna hoy. What kind of death would it be? Jekar sahib mano na visre, ta sehla marna hoy. Jekar, kalau sahib mano na visre, kalau kita tidak, we don't forget, kita tidak lupa sama Waheguru, kita sentiasa buat simpan, kita sentiasa ingat sama Waheguru. Jekar sahib mano na visre, ta sehla marna hoy. Only then our death will be easy. Kenapa? Karena kita tahu apa tugas kita sebagai seorang insan, sebagai seorang Sikh, yaitu membuat simran setiap waktu, mengingati Waheguru setiap hari. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji waktu itu apabila mendengar Pai Buddha Ji berbicara seperti ini, waktu itu Guru Nanak Dev Ji bilang, dari saat ini nama kamu bukan Buddha tapi Pai Buddha. Karena percakapan kamu, minda kamu itu seperti seorang orang tua. Kamu memang bijaksana. And Pai Buddha Ji waktu itu, mereka juga ingin bikin sewa dan menjadi seorang Sikh Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So waktu itu Pai Buddha Ji juga bilang sama ibu bapa mereka, mulai sekarang saya akan pergi ke Kartarpur dan saya akan bikin sewa, saya akan tinggal sama Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Baba Buddha Ji, nama Baba juga diberi oleh Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Baba ini, the word Baba, waktu ini Sanghaji, we have been misusing the word Baba a lot. Tapi waktu itu the word Pai Mardana Ji yang mendapat pangkat Pai pertama sekali. Baba Buddha Ji yang mendapat pangkat Baba pertama sekali. Dan apabila kita memanggil seorang Pai Palvinder Singh, Pai Mardana Ji, Pai Balaji, ini maksudnya kita memberi mereka hormat seperti mana Guru Nanak Dev Ji memberi hormat kepada Pai Mardana Ji. Apabila kita memanggil seseorang Baba Ji, bukan bermaksud kita, it doesn't mean we simply call someone Baba, tetapi ini bermaksud kita memberi mereka hormat seperti mana Guru Nanak Dev Ji dan sangat-sangat memberi hormat kepada Baba Buddha Ji. Dan orang yang diberi pangkat, yang diberi nama Pai dan Baba, orang itu juga harus ingat yang Sekarang ini di hadapan nama saya itu ada Pai, ada Baba. Maksudnya perlakuan saya, percakapan saya itu haruslah seperti mana Pai Mardana Ji, seperti mana Baba Buddha Ji. Dan saya, I cannot be doing anything bad, or I cannot say anything bad that can make the name of my guru bad. The name of my guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, bad. So nama Baba itu juga diberi oleh Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Dan Baba Buddha Ji waktu itu mereka pun buat sewa Guru Nanak Dev Ji di Kartarpur Sahib. Setiap hari Baba Buddha Ji akan mengambil air, bikin langgar. Mereka akan menyapu. They will fan Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Di mana Guru Nanak Dev Ji pergi, mereka juga akan pergi bersama-sama. Baba Buddha Ji juga menjaga anak-anak Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Pada satu hari, Sakhi ini pasti kamu semua tahu Sanghaji, where Guru Nanak Dev Ji, apabila when they are nearing the day of their Jyoti Jyot, apabila Guru Nanak Dev Ji udah memutuskan mereka mau meninggalkan dunia ini, mau Jyoti Jyot, waktu itu Guru Nanak Dev Ji pun fikir siapa yang perlu diberi Gurgadi, who should be given the Gurgadi. And at that time, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, kita tahu Sakhi ini, where Guru Nanak Dev Ji took the form of Tanak Roop Rahakartar. Tanak Roop Rahakartar, waktu itu Guru Nanak Dev Ji, mereka memegang soti dalam satu tangan. Mereka membawa anjing-anjing sekali. Dan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, waktu itu, they had so many tests for Pai Lena Ji, and also for Baba Buddha Ji, and Pai Mardana Ji, and Pai Bala Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji wanted to see who is my Sikha, who will listen to my bhajan, who will listen to me, and do whatever I say. Waktu itu, kita tahu Sakhi di mana Pai Lena Ji, mereka mengangkat tikus yang mati. Mereka pun terjun ke dalam sungai. They follow 100% what Guru Nanak Dev Ji was telling them to do. And at that point, waktu Guru Nanak Dev Ji mengangkat soti itu, they started hitting everybody. Guru Nanak Dev Ji started hitting everybody. And the Sangat, mereka ingat Guru Nanak Dev Ji ini sudah gila. Kerana mereka memukul semua orang. Mereka memukul Sangat dengan kayu itu. So, semua Sangat pun lari, tapi tinggal Pai Lena Ji sama Baba Buddha Ji, sama Pai Mardana Ji dan Pai Bala Ji. Dan waktu itu Guru Nanak Dev Ji pun bilang sama mereka, kenapa kamu masih di sini? Pergi, pulang balik. Kenapa kamu masih sama saya? And waktu itu Baba Buddha Ji pun bilang, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, I do not want to go away from you. Saya mau tinggal sama kamu. Walaupun kamu pukul, kamu marah, kamu sayang, saya tetap mau tinggal sama kamu. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji was so happy they were so happy with Baba Buddha Ji. At that point, Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave a var. Mereka bilang sama Baba Buddha Ji, Teto kade ole na hosa. Maksudnya, Baba Buddha Ji, saya ataupun Guru Rup yang akan datang selepas saya. Di mana Guru berada, dimanapun saya akan berada ataupun guru-guru lain, mereka tidak akan bisa bersembunyi dari kamu. Dan kamu tidak akan bisa dipisahkan dengan guru. Kamu sentiasa akan bersama guru, dan di mana guru berada, walaupun Sangat yang lain tidak tahu, tapi kamu pasti akan tahu di mana guru berada. Where is the guru? You will always know where the guru is. The guru cannot hide himself from you, Baba Buddha Ji. Wherever the guru is hiding, you will always be able to find. And there are so many Sakya in the Sikh history, Sanghaji, where our Guru Sahib, especially Guru Angad Dev Ji, they went missing And Baba Buddha Ji was the one who found them. During the Gurgadi of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, Guru Nanak Dev Ji told Baba Buddha Ji to put the Gurgadi Tilak on Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. And Baba Buddha Ji was the first Sikh to matha take to the next Guru. And after that, all the Guru Sahiban who was given Gurgadi, dari Guru Angad Dev Ji, Guru Amar Das Ji, Guru Ram Das Ji, all the Guru Sahiban, when they sit on the Gurgadi, the first Sikh to matha take is Baba Buddha Ji. That's how much greatness, how much respect is given to Baba Buddha Ji. After the Gurgadi of Pailena Ji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji told them, mereka bilang sama Guru Angad Dev Ji, kamu harus pulang ke Khadur Sahib. Jangan tinggal di Kartarpur. Waktu itu Guru Angad Dev Ji pun pulang ke Khadur Sahib dan Baba Buddha Ji juga pulang ke kampung mereka di Talwandi. Apabila Guru Angad Dev Ji mendapat berita bahawa Guru Nanak Dev Ji udah jut-jut, waktu itu Guru Angad Dev Ji memang they were so full of berag that my Guru has left this world. They were so full of berag yang Guru Angad Dev Ji itu mereka bilang sama Mai Sabrai. Waktu itu Guru Angad Dev Ji tinggal di rumah Mai Sabrai. Mereka bilang sama Mata Sabrai Ji, mereka bilang jangan beritahu siapa-siapa di mana saya sembunyi. Saya mau buat bhakti. I want to do bhakti. I want to remember my Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Because waktu itu Guru Angad Dev Ji memang sedih apabila Guru Nanak Dev Ji udah meninggal. Dunia ini udah jut-jut. And for 6 months, Sanggaji, untuk 6 bulan, Guru Angad Dev Ji, mereka duduk di dalam bilik yang kecil in the house of Mata Sabrai Ji on the rooftop. Normally kalau kita pergi ke India sekarang kan, the rooftop of all the house in Punjab is flat. And normally on top of that, on the rooftop, there's another small room. And Guru Angad Dev Ji sat in that small room and they meditated in the remembrance of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And on this side, in Kartarpur side, everybody was looking for Guru Angad Dev Ji. All the Sangha, they were looking for Guru Angad Dev Ji. Mereka bertanya di mana Guru Angad Dev Ji. And some of the Sangat, they knew that Baba Buddha Ji is the only one who can find, who knows where the Guru is. Some of the Sangat, they went to Talwandi, they went to the house of Baba Buddha Ji and they did benti. They said, Baba Ji, sekarang Guru Nanak Dev Ji udah jut-jut dan Gurgadi telah diberi kepada Guru Angad Dev Ji. Tapi Guru Angad Dev Ji udah hilangkan diri mereka and we are all looking for them. We are all looking for Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. Please, Baba Buddha Ji, tell us where is Guru Sahib. Only you know where Guru Sahib will be. Because Guru Nanak Dev Ji has told you, has given the bachan that the Guru cannot hide from Baba Buddha Ji. And at that time, Baba Buddha Ji, they did Antartyan. Antartyan means where you meditate and you look. You have all the powers to see everything happening in the world. And Baba Buddha Ji, they went into Antartyan and they saw that Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is in the house of Mata Sabrai Ji. And Baba Buddha Ji told the Sangat, mereka bilang sama Sangat, jom, ayo kita pergi. Saya tahu di mana Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. And all the Sangat, mereka semua ikut Baba Buddha Ji dan mereka pergi ke Penda Nangde di Serang, di mana rumah Mata Sabrai Ji. They went to the house and Baba Buddha Ji, they met Mata Sabrai Ji and Mata Sabrai Ji udah beri janji sama Guru Angad Dev Ji bahawa mereka tidak akan bilang sama siapa-siapa di mana Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. Ji merupakan seorang Sikh yang tahu mereka waktu itu udah menjadi Brahmyan. udah mendapat bermegyan, udah menjadi bermegyan. Mereka tahu di mana guru. And waktu itu Mata Sabraji pun pikir, bagaimana saya mau bilang sama Baba Buddhaji? Saya nggak boleh tipu karena Babaji udah tahu di mana guruji. Tetapi saya juga beri janji sama Guru Angad Dev Ji yang saya nggak akan bilang sama siapa-siapa. So Mata Sabraji pun diam dan Baba Buddhaji tahu. So Baba Buddhaji bilang sama Sangat, mereka bilang, be quiet. They said be quiet and let's go up to the room. All of the Sangat went up to the room and sat outside of the room where Guru Angad Dev Ji was meditating. Now imagine this, Sangatji. I want you all to imagine, yeah, where all the Sangat are sitting outside on the rooftop and they're so silent, and Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they are meditating in the room, and Baba Buddhaji, they quietly enter the room and they sit down in front of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj and they are massaging the feet of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. And Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is crying because they are remembering their birthday Sadguruji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. And Baba Buddhaji is also crying because everybody's in Bairag because they want to meet Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. And at that point, Baba Buddhaji, they recited this Shabad by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. They recited, Baba Buddhaji said, Sorth Mahalla Pehla, Tu Data Dan Mat Pura, Hum Thare Pekhari Jiyo, मैं क्या मांगो किच थिर न रहाई, हर दीजे नाम प्यारी जियो. Baba Buddhaji is reciting this Shabad. Then Maksud, what is the meaning of this Shabad? Tu Prabdata Dan Matpura. That you are the Data, you are the giver, Dan Matpura. And all the gifts that you give is complete, just like you are. The complete Guru gives me the complete understanding. Dan Matpura, Hum Thare Pekhare Jiyo. You are the giver, you are the Data, and I am the Pekhari, I am the beggar. Main kya mango? What should I ask? Kich thera na rahai. There is nothing in this world that is permanent. Everything is temporary. Main kya mango? Kich thera na rahai. Har dije naam pyari ji. The only thing I ask is, Vaheguruji, Sadguruji, give me the gift of Naam. And Baba Buddhaji, they are reciting this Shabad and they are massaging the feet of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj softly. And Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they open their eyes. They open their eyes and they say, Babaji, Tusi Sanu Labbalya. Oh Babaji, you have found us? You know where I am? And Baba Buddhaji said, Oh Sadguruji, how can you go missing? A Sikh and a Guru can never be separated. If we want to learn, kalau kita ingin tahu bagaimana untuk membuat guru kita gembira sama kita, kalau guru memang susah hati sama kita, apa yang harus kita buat supaya guru kembali senang hati sama kita? What should we do so that our guru becomes happy with us? Learn from Baba Buddhaji. Baba Buddhaji says a Sikha and a Guru can never be separated, Sadguruji. Wherever the Guru is, the Sikh will always find a way to go and meet the Guru. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji, in the remembrance of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Angad Dev Ji is crying, they are in Bairag, and Baba Buddhaji saying, Sadguruji, don't hide anymore. All the Sangat is waiting to have your darshan. Come out. Be the Guru. Take the responsibility of the Gurgadi that Guru Nanak Dev Ji has given you and bless the Sangat. And At that point, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they are in the remembrance of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and they recited this slok. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj slok, which tells us how much love Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj has for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. जिस प्यारे स्यो ने हो तिस आगे मर चलिए त्रिग जीवन संसार ताके पाछे जीवना. जिस प्यारे स्यो ने हो, the one that we're in love, we are in so deep love with, the one that we love so much, जिस प्यारे स्यो ने हो, what kind of love should that be? जिस प्यारे स्यो ने हो तिस आगे मर चलिए. If you want to learn the meaning of love, look at Guru Angad Dev Ji. What should we do when we love someone? What kind of love should it be? Tis aage mar chaliye. We should sacrifice ourselves for that person. Baba Buddha Ji sacrificed his whole life. And he sacrificed his life to do seva of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Angad Dev Ji sacrificed his whole life to do seva of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And look at what the sacrifice gave them. Guru Angad Dev Ji from Pai Lena became Guru. And Baba Buddha Ji from Buddha, Pai Buddha became Baba Buddha Ji. Became a Brahmgyani. जिस प्यारे स्यो ने हो तिस आगे मर चलिए त्रिग जीवन संसार. This life is useless. त्रिग जीवन संसार ताके पाछे जीवना. If we live this life without the love of our Guru, this life is useless. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, with so much of love, Sangat Ji, imagine those eyes. Imagine that whole scenario where Baba Buddha Ji is meeting Guru Angad Dev Ji and the Sangat are sitting outside of the room waiting to have darshan of Guru Angad Dev Ji. And Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is saying, Jis pyare se ne ho tis aage mar chaliye trig jeevan sansar taake pache jeevana. And they come out and they give darshan to the Sangat. And the first sight when Guru Angad Dev Ji opened their eyes and they look at all the Sangat, everybody who had pain, who was suffering, who had dukkha, everyone's dukkha went away. When we take the Hukamnama, Hove sifat khasamadi nur arsaho kursaho chattiye to the ditte sache padshah mal janam janamadi kattiye. This is Pattande Savaye, where the Patta is writing this Bani for Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. They are saying to Guru Angad Dev Ji, how is Guru Angad Dev Ji? To the Ditte Sache Pacha, when you look, Sache Pacha, O Guru Angad Dev Ji, when you look with your eyes, Mala, this dirt, Janam Janamadi Mala, the dukkha of our Janams, Sab Kat Jandeya. And the Sangha, when Guru Angad Dev Ji, after 6 months of bhakti, of crying and crying and crying, and the love of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, imagine they open their eyes and they look at you. Why, Guru? All the dukkha is gone. And even now, Sanghaji, very sad to say, dalam dunia ini sekarang, memang sedih kalau kita lihat Sanghaji, there is no love. Very little love. How do you know if someone is full of love? How do you know? that person, that Gursikh is full of love is when you even just speak about that person. Kalau kita hanya bilang nama mereka sahaja, if we just speak about that person, we start crying. Imagine when we meet that person, we just start crying and crying. That is a sign that that person is so full of love. And all he's giving out is love. Everything he's giving out is love. And Baba Buddha Ji was that Gursikh who found the Guru and united the Guru with the Sangat. Baba Buddha Ji did a lot of seva with Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. Baba Buddha Ji was also given the seva to teach Gurmukhi to the children, to the Sikh in Khadur Sahib. Baba Buddha Ji stayed with Guru Angad Dev Ji and they used to teach Gurmukhi together. They used to do Gatka together. They used to teach martial arts as well. And the same thing happened during the time of Guru Amar Das Ji, where we know the Sakhi where Bhai Dattu Ji, the son of Guru Angad Dev Ji, where Bhai Dattu Ji, because he was so jealous, he kicked Guru Amar Das Ji in the back and told Guru Amar Das Ji that this Gurgaddi is mine, it's not yours. Go away from Govindwal. And Guru Amar Das Ji never said anything because Bhai Dattu Ji was the son of Guru Angad Dev Ji. And Guru Sahib respected him. In the middle of the night, Guru Amar Das Ji left Govindwal and they went back to Basarke, their pender. Guru Amar Das Ji went back to Basarke in their pender and there was a small hut. Guru Amar Das Ji, they found a small hut, satu pondok kecil, and Guru Amar Das Ji, they went inside the hut and they sat down and did pagati. And outside of the door, di luar pintu, Guru Amar Das Ji menulis, mereka bilang, siapa yang masuk ke dalam pondok ini bukan Sikh saya dan saya bukan guru mereka. Maksudnya Guru Amar Das Ji tidak mau siapa-siapa yang mengganggu mereka buat bhakti. In the middle of the night they left. The next morning, Sangat in Govindwal Sahib was looking for Guru Amar Das Ji. They didn't know where Guru Sahib was. And again, they went to Baba Buddha Ji and told Babaji, Guru Amar Das Ji is missing. Guru Amar Das Ji udah hilang. Seperti Guru Angad Dev Ji, kamu menemui mereka, kamu bisa cari Guru Angad Dev Ji, tolong kali ini, tolong cari Guru Amar Das Ji. Tolong bawa balik Guru Amar Das Ji ke Govindwal Sahib. And waktu itu, Baba Buddha Ji pun bilang sama Sangat, waktu itu ada kuda, the horse of Guru Amar Das Ji, kuda Guru Amar Das Ji. Baba Buddha Ji bilang, lepaskan kuda itu, dan kita semua ikut kuda Guru Amar Das Ji. We all follow the horse of Guru Amar Das Ji, because the horse of the Guru will go where the Guru is. And the horse was going in front, and all the Sangha was following the horse. When they reached the hut, apabila mereka sampai ke tempat Guru Amar Das Ji membuat bhakti, ke pondok itu, Baba Buddha Ji melihat apa yang Guru Sahib menulis di luar pintu. Siapa yang masuk ke dalam rumah ini, pondok ini, bukan Sikh saya dan saya bukan guru mereka. Baba Buddha Ji pun berfikir, Baba Buddha Ji thought that I cannot go against the hukum of the Guru. Apa yang Guru bilang saya harus ikut. Tapi saya juga perlu membawa Guru balik ke Govindwal. So apa yang harus saya buat? So instead of entering through the door, Baba Buddha Ji went through the back. They made a hole in the wall. Mereka bikin satu lubang. And Baba Buddha Ji entered through that hole into the hut. Now that place in India is called Gurdwara Sant Sahib. And Baba Buddha Ji entered through the back. They went in, and again they did bend to Guru Amar Das Ji. They bowed down, they matha tek to Guru Amar Das Ji, and they said, Guruji, Sache Pacha, please come back to Govindwal. And Guru Amar Das Ji opened their eyes and they said, Baba Buddha Ji, you have found me? Tusi sanu lab liya? And Guru Sahib, Baba Buddha Ji कहते Guru te Sikh kade ओले नहीं हो सकते. A Guru and a Sikh can never be separated. Wherever the Sikh is, the Guru will always be there, and wherever the Guru is, the Sikh will always be there. And Baba Buddha Ji does benti and they say, Guru Sahib, Sache Pacha, please come back to Govindwal. The Sangat is, they're waiting to have your darshan. They want to do your Sangat. They want to listen to you. Please come back. And Guru Amar Das Ji, at that time, they gave a var. They gave bachan. They told the Sangha that whoever says Tan, Tan Baba Buddha Ji, Tan, Tan Baba Buddha Ji, all their pain, all their papa, their sins will be washed away. Semua dosa, pap, derita mereka akan hilang. Siapa yang bilang Tan, Tan Baba Buddha Ji Maharaj, Tan, Tan Baba Buddha. And Guru Amar Das Ji and Baba Buddha Ji, they went back to Govindwal Sahib, and all the Sangha, they said, Tan Baba Buddha Ji ne Sadgur ladda. Tan Baba Buddha Ji siapa yang bisa mencari Sadguru Ji. This was the time when our Gurus went missing, and because they were so sad, and it was then Baba Buddha Ji who found them and brought them back. Guru Baba Buddha Ji is teaching us that how when our Sadguru Ji is also, our Sadguru Ji becomes upset with us. Guru Sahib sanu chidkde vi a, sanu koorde vi a, sanu pyar vi karde a. Je gur chidke ta meetha lange. Je bakshita gur vadiyai. So Baba Buddha Ji did that, and Baba Buddha Ji served Guru Ram Das Ji Maharaj as well. And in the seva of Harmandir Sahib, if we go to Harmandir Sahib, we will see the tree Beer Baba Buddha Ji. Imagine Sangat Ji, that tree pokok itu Beer Baba Buddha Ji dari waktu Guru sampai sekarang. Sampai sekarang Sangat Ji. Waktu masa Ranggar juga datang ke Harmandir Sahib. Waktu Abdali juga attack Harmandir Sahib. Waktu 1984 juga apabila Harmandir Sahib was attacked. Even then, until now, the beard, the tree of Baba Buddha Ji is still intact. Nothing has happened to it. Sometimes even I was thinking that just like that tree of Baba Buddha Ji where Baba Ji sat, Baba Ji used to sit under that tree, and they used to see the car seva of Harmandir Sahib. They used to see the car seva of the Sarovar. Anak-anak Baba Buddha Ji juga bikin seva sana. Bikin seva Sarovar Harmandir Sahib. Baba Buddha Ji selalu duduk di bawah pokok itu dan mereka akan lihat apa seva yang Sangat bikin. Kalau ada apa-apa masalah dari Sangat, mereka akan duduk bicara sama mereka. And that tree, from the time of the Guru until now, even though Harmandir Sahib has been attacked so many times, that tree is still there. And sometimes we must do ardas. I was thinking that just like that tree of Baba Buddha Ji is so strong. Sache Pacha ko ardas karde hain, Sache Pacha, may our Sikhi be as strong as that tree of Baba Buddha Ji. That even though any problem comes in our way, we are still strong and we are still standing upright. And we can overcome those problems. And Baba Buddha Ji, they used to sit there, they used to do Bachan Bilas with the Sangat. And Guru Ram Das Ji, the time came where the Gurgaddi was to be given to the next Guru. And we know the Sakhi where Prithi Chanda was so jealous of Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj. At this time, Baba Buddha Ji is already almost 70 years old. Umur mereka udah lebih 70 tahun. Dan Guru Ram Das Ji Maharaj, lihat ya Sanggaji, walaupun mereka seorang guru, tetapi mereka tetap they still discuss with Baba Buddha Ji. Mereka tetap mengambil nasihat dari Baba Buddha Ji untuk siapa yang harus menjadi guru selepas mereka. Who should be given the Gurgaddi? And Baba Buddha Ji says, Sadhguruji Sache Pacha, looks like your youngest son, Arjan Dev, is the one who should be the next guru. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji is given the Gurgaddi. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is given the Gurgaddi. And during the time of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, we know the Sakhi where Prithi Chanda started doing parchar to all the Sangat, and he started saying that he is the Guru. And in front of Harmandir Sahib, a few kilometers away, he made his own dera, where Sangat used to come from Kabul, from Agra, from Afghanistan, and they used to come and do darshan of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. But because the Sangat used to meet Prithi Chand first, all the money, all the peta, all the ration, the groceries, Prithi Chand used to keep. And such a time came where there was no ration, there was no atta in Harmandir Sahib. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji only had sukki roti to eat. Only had a very sukki roti to eat, one roti per day. And Baba Buddha Ji heard about this, all this happening. Baba Buddha Ji and Pai Gurdas Ji, look at that Sangaji, they were so old. They were walking with a stick. And Baba Buddha used to go out of Harmandir Sahib. They used to go and stand in front of the gate of the Amritsar, the fort of Amritsar city, where we have all the 12 gates, the 12 gates, that in the middle is it's Harmandir Sahib. If you look at the map of Amritsar city around Harmandir Sahib, there's 12 gates. But now a lot of them are already, demolished and old. But Baba Buddha used to go out and he used to tell the Sangat, don't be fooled. The true Guru is Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Go to Harmandir Sahib and go and get the darshan of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Don't listen to Prithi Chand. And why would people listen to Baba Buddha Ji? Because Baba Buddha Ji was the Gursikh from the time of Guru Nanak Dev Ji until Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And everybody believed Baba Buddha Ji, whatever they say. The time came, Sangat Ji, Baba Buddha Ji from a Pai became Baba Ji, Brahmgyani, Santa, and now Baba Buddha Ji has come to a state that they can even give blessings to people. We know the Sakhi where Mata Ganga Ji is asking for a son from Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj. And look at the Vadhyai that Guru Arjan Dev Ji is giving to his Gursikh. Guru Arjan Dev Ji tells Mata Ganga Ji that don't ask from me. Go to Baba Buddha Ji. Sangat Ji, I want you to think. Guru Sahib can give anything. Guru Sahib can fulfill all our wishes. Guru Sahib could have even given the son to Mata Ganga Ji, can even fulfill the ardas of Mata Ganga Ji. Why did Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj tell Mata Ganga Ji to go to Baba Buddha Ji? Why? Baba Buddha Ji was so buzurg at that time. They're already very old. And they were so wise that whatever Baba Buddha Ji said, it will come true. Everything that Baba Buddha Ji said will come true. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj wanted to show the Sangat that a Guru gives Vadhyai to his Sikh as well. That a Guru and the Sikh at one point, just like Baba Buddha Ji, becomes the same. And Baba Buddha Ji gave the Data, gave the Bachan that a Surbir will be born in your house. And that Surbir was Tan Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji Maharaj. When Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji Maharaj was born, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, they recited the Shabad Satgur Sache Diya Pej Chir Jivan Upja Sanjogo Udre Mai Ai Ke Nivasa Mata Ke Man Bahut Vigasa. And they placed Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj into the lap of Baba Buddha Ji and said, Baba Ji, now you have to bring him up, you have to give him the sanskar, you have to give him the vidya. Baba Buddha Ji became the Vidya Guru of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj. Even now, we also take our Vidya. For example, some of us take our Vidya from Baba Sujit Singh Ji. So they are our Vidya Guru. A Vidya Guru is the person who gives us Vidya, who gives us sanskar, and Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji's Vidya Guru was Baba Buddha Ji. Baba Buddha Ji taught them Gurmukhi, taught them Shastar Vidya. Imagine, at that time Baba Buddha Ji umur mereka udah lebih 100 tahun. And they, at the age of 90 to 100 years old, Baba Buddha Ji is teaching Gatka to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. Baba Buddha Ji is teaching Gurmukhi to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. And this part, Sangat that I want to speak to all of you, where Baba Buddha Ji teaches us on how to be a Gyani, how to be a Granthi Singh, how to do seva of our Guru. When Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, they wrote Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji in Ramsar Sahib. Bhai Gurdas Ji and Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, they were in Ramsar Sahib writing Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, mereka bilang sama Baba Buddha Ji, yang sewa Harmandir Sahib, kamu yang harus jaga. Waktu saya menulis Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji sama Bhai Gurdas Ji, sewa di Harmandir Sahib itu Baba Buddha Ji yang harus jaga. Dan apabila Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj udah ditulis, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj bertanya sama Baba Buddha Ji, where should we do Prakash of Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Where is the best place? And Baba Buddha Ji said, oh Sadguru Ji, where can be the best place if not Harmandir Sahib? And Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, again, they gave such vadiyai. They gave so much respect to Baba Buddha Ji. They said to Baba Buddha Ji that Baba Ji, you carry Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji on your head and we will walk behind you. Baba Buddha Ji mengangkat Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji atas kepala mereka, dan Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj jalan di belakang mereka membuat Jawar Sahib Sewa. And when Guru Arjan Dev Ji, Baba Buddha Ji, when they came into the Parikrama, when they came into Harmandir Sahib, Baba Buddha Ji respectfully they placed Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Ad Guru Granth Sahib Ji on the Tabia, on the Manji Sahib, and Baba Buddha Ji stepped back. They stepped back and Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj saying, Baba Ji, betho, sit down, duduk Baba Ji, dan ambil hukamnama. Look at that. Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj giving that vadiyai to Baba Buddha Ji. And this comes in our Sikh Itihasik Grantha, where they say, Buddha Sahib kholo Grantha, leho awaz, sune sab panth. Adab sang tab Granth jo khola, leh awaz, Buddha mukh bola. Buddha Sahib kholo Granth. Oh Baba Buddha Ji, Granth nu kholo, open. Guru Granth Sahib Ji, leho awaz, maksudnya ambil hukamnama, sune sab panth. Supaya semua sangat bisa dengar hukamnama pertama dari Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Adab sangga Granth jo khola, dengan adab, dengan hormat, dengan respect, Guru Baba Buddha Ji open up Guru Granth Sahib Ji, leho awaz, Buddha mukh bola. And Baba Buddha Ji took the first hukamnama from Guru Granth Sahib Ji, संतां के काज आप खलोया, हर काम करावन आया राम. Now Sangat Ji, this is my benti to all of you. Baba Buddha Ji is, not was, Granthi ever to do seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. And when we also do seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, we are also called the Granthi Singh, Granthan, Sevadar. And when we do seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, we must always remember that I am sitting on the place where Baba Buddha Ji used to sit. That I am doing that seva that Baba Buddha Ji used to do. The Granthi Singh or Granthan, Granthi who does seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji must always have that fear. Must always remember, Granthi itu selalu harus ingat bahawa saya ini duduk di tempat di mana Baba Buddha Ji pernah duduk bikin seva Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Dan Granthi itu harus ikut bagaimana Baba Buddha Ji bikin seva. Kalau kita ada bikin apa-apa salah, if as a Granthi we speak wrongly, we do something wrong, always remember the name of Baba Buddha Ji also comes in. Because Baba Buddha Ji is the first Granthi. And for the Sangat as well, how do we give respect to our Granthi? It's very sad to say that nowadays we do not give respect to our Granthis at all. Kita tak beri hormat kepada Granthi di Gurdwara. It's very sad to see. Tapi Sangha juga harus ingat bahawa Granthi yang bikin sewa Guru Granth Sahib Ji itu seperti Baba Buddha Ji. And how should we respect them? A Granthi is also the Wazir, is also the Mantri of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj as well. So we must remember that the Granthi and the Sangat must also respect the Granthi, and the Granthi must also do seva like how Baba Buddha Ji does. Because they were the first one. Always remember. And when we want to do seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, when we want to become a Granthi, always do ardas to Baba Buddha Ji, Tan Baba Buddha Ji, please bless us so we can do seva like you. We can sit on that place where you sat once and do seva of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which is on the takat, on the tabia. When we sit on the tabia, always remember this is the place of Baba Buddha Ji. And don't do anything wrong that will make Baba Buddha Ji's name spoil. I'm coming to an end of my katha already. Baba Buddha Ji has taught us how to do seva of the Guru. And when the Guru is upset with us, how do we make the Guru happy with us? And as a Granthi, as the head Granthi and the first Granthi of the Pantha, how we should also do seva as a Granthi and how we should serve our Guru, Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. At the end of the life of Guru, of Baba Buddha Ji, there's many more Sakhya of Baba Buddha Ji, how they found Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji in Gwalior, and so on. But I'm going to end the Sakhi here, where towards the end of their life, apabila Baba Buddha Ji umur mereka udah 125 tahun, dan waktu itu the love between Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji and Baba Buddha Ji was so strong. It was just like a grandfather and a grandchild. The love is so strong that Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji, that time, Baba Buddha Ji, they used to be in Amritsar Sahib most of the time. Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji, if they want to meet Baba Buddha Ji, they used to send a palki. They used to send a palki so that Baba Buddha Ji can sit in the palki and come and meet them. But Baba Buddha Ji will say, no, I will not sit in the palki. I will walk and go and meet Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji. And Guru Sahib will say, no, Baba Ji, no. I will come to you. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji would come to Baba Buddha Ji and do their darshan. Look at that. A guru coming to a Sikha to have the darshan of the Sikha. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji would ask advice from Baba Buddha Ji. Because that time Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj already Jyoti Jyot. At the end of their life, Baba Buddha Ji, they only told their children, they said, I want to have the darshan of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. I want to have the last darshan of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji before I go. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji spent the whole night with Baba Buddha Ji. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, they are talking with Baba Ji. They ask Baba Ji, you have done seva of 6 Guru Sahiban. You have done seva of 6 Guru Sahiban, and you have given Gurgaddi Tilak to 5 Guru Sahiban. You are given the name Baba Ji. You are a Brahmgyani, you are a Santa. You have served all the Guru Sahiban. Tell us how to become a Sikh like you. How do we get Sikhi? And Baba Buddha Ji is putting their hands together. They say, Nay, Sadhguru Ji, who am I to tell you how to become a Sikh? Who am I to tell you how to get Sikhi? You are Sadhguru Ji. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj saying, Nay, Baba Ji, dasso. And the Sangat is doing beintis. Baba Ji, dasso, tell us how to become a Sikh. How to get Sikhi. And Baba Buddha Ji said, with so much nimarta, with so much humility, they said, Guru Nanak jin sunya pekya se fir garbas na parya. The one who has listened to the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the one who has done darshan of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, will never come back into this cycle of life and that. Always love Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and whatever Guru Nanak Dev Ji tell us to do Naam Simran, to do Seva, to do Sangat, listen to that and apply that in your life. And that's how you can become a Sikha and get Sikhi. And Baba Buddha Ji, they used to say that Sikhi is a data that is only given by the Guru. Nowadays, Hana Sangat Ji, kalau kita lihat dalam dunia ini sekarang, everybody calls themselves a Sikha. But very few, virle kei ke, very few who actually listen to the bachan of the Guru. A Sikha is only that one who follows the bachan of the Guru. In Asadivar, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj slok, ek nehi daat aapas te jo paiye, Nanak sa karmad sahib tutte jo mile. Ek nahi daat. What kind of daat is this? What kind of gift is this? Aapas de jo paiye, that we get by forcing, that we want to get it. Aapas de jo paiye is what kind of daat is this? This is not daat. This is us asking for it. Nanak sa karmat sahib tutte jo mile. But that daat is so beautiful. Which one? Sahib tutte. When our Sahib, when our Guru is happy, Sahib tutte jo mile. And then we get the daat when our Guru is happy. That daat is priceless. And that daat of Sikhi can only be given by the Guru. Asi khech ke nahi le sakte. We can't force to get Sikhi. We cannot force to have Sikhi. Sikhi is not for everybody. Virle kei ke is only for those Sahib tutte jo mile. Only for those who have made the Guru happy, just like Baba Buddha Ji, and they get the Sikhi daat. And that is the life of Baba Buddha Ji, where they have served they have spent their whole life doing seva from Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. Baba Buddha Ji has taught us how to do seva of the Guru, how to become a Granthi, how to become a Sikha, and how to make the Guru happy. At the end of their life, when they left this world, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji said, Sangat Ji, vadaiyan. Vadaiyan kyo? Why congratulations? Because why? Baba Buddha Ji has become one with Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Jyoti Jyotirali संपूर्ण थिया राम। कबीर संत मोए क्या रोइए जो अपने ग्रह जाए। Why should we cry for those who went back to their own house? Sant moye kya roye? Don't cry for those saints who have gone back to their house, which was Baba Buddha Ji, who went back to the house of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj in the end. Until now, we still listen to the Sakya of Baba Buddha Ji. We still follow the teachings of Baba Buddha Ji. As a buzurg, as the older person, the elderly person, read the Sakhi, read the Janam of Baba Buddha Ji and get some gyan, get some teachings, some advice on how we also can make our Guru happy. And do ardas with Baba Ji ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ. Please do kirpa on us as well, so that we also can do kamai of Sikhi like you have done. Please forgive me for any mistakes that I have done in this katha. We are celebrating a Janam Dihar of Baba Buddha Ji. Tan Baba Buddha Ji Sahib, जिन्हां ने सिक्खी दी कमाई कीती, जिन्हां ने गुरु नूं खुश कीता. भुलां चुकां दी खिमा. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.